Hi, my name's Peter Spencer. I'm the founder of the Australian Property Panel, and with my best friend Brad Dolahenty, we've created property panels in each state and territory in Australia. We're there to help you whenever you need property investment advice. We understand that investing can sometimes be daunting, especially for first-time investors. What we've done, we've simplified years of experience and created a tried, tested, proven method and a property investment strategy. We teach and share this property investment strategy to our clients and anybody else free of cost.
We do this primarily through property investment workshops as well as one-on-one working with clients. We partner you with a team of independent professionals, experts, builders and developers, your property panel, to help you invest wisely. Your property panel is to help you at every stage of the way throughout your property investment journey.
Hey, I understand that not everybody has the time or the confidence or even know where to start when building a property portfolio. Recognise the complexities and concerns of everyday investors. We've created a system that will help you start your property portfolio. If you're already a property investor, we'll be able to fine-tune that with you.
At Australian Property Panel, our clients are able to access everything they will need. If this information sounds appealing or certainly interesting to you and your family, then it's quite simple to make the next step. Hop onto our events section on the website and have a look for a workshop closest to you in your location. They're a great evening, jam-packed with loads of information and information that will help you with your property goals.